Hey guys, do you have a little white dress that's been hanging in your closet and maybe it's a little too dressy to put on for day-to-day activities? Well, I wanted to show you my idea on how I could make this dress a little more casual. How I dress down this outfit a little bit more so that it looks more casual. You can go out in public, go to the grocery store, maybe go to a friend's house or out to the movies and not feel like you're overdressed. And that little white elegant dress that's been hanging in your closet will not go to waste. Take care. Bye.